Finally, today we are going to make stir-fried Lagman. It has been requested several times, and today is the day that we are going to make stir-fried Lagman. By the way, welcome to the channel Dolan. My name is Alia, and let's do this. The ingredients for this recipe are garlic chives, sweet red pepper, mild green pepper, soy sauce, ginger, hot red chili pepper, dried hot red chili pepper, and salt, white flour, ground citron pepper. When you grind the citron pepper, don't forget to remove that black seed, white sesame, lamb, and olive oil. First of all, we are going to make the dough. For the dough, we need white flour, of course, and a pinch of salt, tiny bit. And I'm going to knead the dough with cold water. For the dough, it's very important if you put the water, put it little by little in it. If you see some dry spots, you can put a tiny bit of water on it, like this. And then continue with kneading. I just finished with the kneading, and I'm going to let it rest for about 10 to 15 minutes. And cover it with a wet towel. Can you hear it? If you have dried peppers like this with seeds, you have to remove it. And then put it in hot water. "15 minutes have passed. Now I'm going to make it in 3 sections. Lubricate the dough, lubricate the table, otherwise the dough sticks on the table. I cut it in 3 sections. Now I'm going to lubricate the dough and then make it a little bit thinner. Roll the dough with your 2 hands. Move your hands to the sides, like this. Very gentle, very carefully. And it's very important that you touch every piece of the dough and make it very smooth. If you forget some pieces like this, you will get hard piece in the dough, and that makes a little bit harder when you make it thinner later. Now lubricate the plate. Put the dough on the plate like this. And then lubricate a little bit oil, not too much. Continue with the circle, and don't forget to put a layer of oil on it, not too much. Cover the dough. Now I'm going to prepare the vegetables and meat. I cut everything very thin and long, like this. Pepper, hot red chili pepper, ginger in small pieces, and hot red chili pepper dried. I cut it in a little bit bigger sections, and the garlic chives also in long sections, and I separated in 2 different sections. A very soft section of garlic chives, and this is a little bit hard. This is lamb, As you can see, I cut it also in long section. For the noodle, we need boiling water. This is cold water for the noodle. Now I'm going to make it thinner and longer. Do this step very gentle. Every time when you pick the noodle from this side, you have to move your hands very carefully. Now you know this step. I'm going to let it dance. And hit the table. After about 3 minutes, the noodle is ready. I take it out. Look at this. It looks so delicious and fresh, and put it in the cold water. I cut it in shorter sections like this. I put 1 teaspoon soy sauce on the noodle like this and mix it. Put it in the strainer. Put the oil in the pan. Heat it up until you will see this light smoke. The lamb have a golden brown color now. I put 1 teaspoon salt in it. Put ginger in it and half teaspoon of citron pepper, dried hot red chili pepper. Don't forget to put in 1 teaspoon soy sauce. Now put the rest in the pan. It's almost ready. Now I put garlic chives in the pan, just hard sections. Now I put in the noodle. Don't forget to put in the soft sections of the garlic chives. Thank you so much for watching this video. Stir-fried noodle is ready. Hope you like this recipe. If you like it, consider subscribing to my channel Dolan, and see you next week. Bye!